In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document in Pandadoc. We'll walk through the full process from starting a new document, to adding content, to placing signature fields, and finally sending it out for signing. Stay with me and follow along on your own screen if you can. First, let's create the document itself. In your Pandadoc dashboard, look for the option to create something new. Click on the New button, then choose Document, and then select Select File. This is where you'll upload the base file you want to use, such as a PDF, a contract, or any agreement you're working with. Once the file is uploaded, Pandadoc will open it in the document editor so you can start customizing it. Next, you need to add your recipients. These are the people who will receive and sign the document. In the recipients area, add each person by entering their name and email address. Take a second to double-check the spelling here, because if an email address is wrong, that person won't receive the document. You can add multiple recipients if more than one person needs to sign. Now let's insert the text you want in the document. On the right-hand side, you'll see a panel with different blocks you can use. Find the text block and drag it into the document editor. Drop it exactly where you want your terms or additional information to appear. Click into the text block to type your content, adjust the formatting if needed, and make sure everything is clear and readable. After your content is in place, you'll need to add the fields that your recipients will interact with. Again, from the right panel, look for the signature field and drag it onto the document, positioning it where you want the person to sign. Do the same with the date field, placing it near the signature or wherever it makes the most sense for your layout. Once your fields are positioned, you have to assign them to the right people. Click on each field, and a floating drop-down will appear. From that drop-down, choose the correct recipient for that field. This tells Pandadoc who is responsible for signing or completing each part, which is essential for a smooth signing process. When everything looks good, you're ready to send. Click Review and Send. Take a moment to quickly scan the document, then click Continue, and finally choose Send Document. Your recipients will now receive an email inviting them to open, review, and sign your document in Pandadoc.